Meet Chef Potato. Small, simple, but part of a food that has helped feed the world for thousands of years. Potatoes began high in the mountains of South America, and before long, they crossed oceans into kitchens everywhere. And once a potato reaches the kitchen, the possibilities begin. In kitchens everywhere, potatoes become foods like loaded baked potato, soft, fluffy, and filling, golden French fries, crispy outside, soft inside, crispy potato chips, thin slices cooked until they snap. Potatoes spread quickly across Europe because they grew well and fed many people. Creamy mashed potatoes. Butter and cream turn them into comfort. Roasted baby potatoes with herbs. Simple food at its best. In difficult years, potatoes helped many families survive famine. Crispy smashed potatoes. Soft in the middle, crunchy at the edges. Golden hash browns. A breakfast favorite. As potatoes traveled the world, every culture found its own recipe. Italian gnocchi. Spanish tortilla. German potato dumplings. Indian aloo curry. And through all those kitchens, the potato kept doing its quiet job, feeding people, stretching meals, making supper feel complete. And Grandma always said, some of the best meals begin with the simplest things. If you enjoy little kitchen ideas like these, be sure to like and follow Grandmother's Kitchen so you don't miss the recipes and tips we share here. And now we'll show you one of Grandma's favorite ways to cook a potato. And if you ask Grandmother's little chef Spud, he says a potato may be simple, but it can become almost anything.